For event management professionals, efficient vendor, client, and event setup is crucial for streamlined expense tracking. SpendFlow automates these core functions, enabling automatic expense allocation that minimizes manual work during billing cycles. Transform your administrative workflow today.
To start your setup, navigate to More and select Team to invite members and assign roles. User for submissions or Admin for full control. This ensures proper workflow and accountability.
Creating a new vendor in SpendFlow is straightforward. Access the Create New Vendor screen to begin the setup process. Start by assigning the vendor to a user from your team members. Enter the required vendor name and unique vendor code. Choose the vendor type from 3 categories: supplier for products, service for professional services, or contractor for project-based work. Add essential business information: vendor's tax ID for compliance tracking, complete business address, contact email, and phone number. Set payment terms like net 30 or due on receipt to manage cash flow expectations. Toggle the preferred vendor option to prioritize frequently used suppliers. Once all information is complete, click Create to save your new vendor to the system for expense tracking. Creating a new client in SpendFlow helps organize expenses by customer. Access the Create New Client screen to begin client setup. Start by assigning the client to a user from your team. The type is automatically set to client. Enter the required client name and unique client code for identification and tracking purposes. Add comprehensive contact information: client's email address for communication, phone number for direct contact, and complete business address for invoicing and correspondence. Review all entered information for accuracy, then click Create to save your new client to the system for expense tracking. Creating events in SpendFlow enables expense tracking for conferences, meetings, or projects. Access the Create New Event screen to begin setup. Assign the event to a team user. The type is automatically set to event. Enter the required event name and unique event code for easy identification and expense categorization. Set your start date and end date using the calendar picker. Enter the budget amount to track spending limits. Add the event location for geographical expense tracking. Include attendee count for per-person cost analysis. Review all details for completeness, then click Create to save your event for expense management. Streamline your expense workflow with SpendFlow's intelligent default system. Mark any client, vendor, or event as your preferred default by selecting the star option. This creates automatic allocation for all future receipts. When you scan new receipts, SpendFlow's AI instantly assigns them to your star defaults, eliminating manual categorization and reducing potential errors. This automation saves valuable time and ensures consistent expense tracking.
Export functionality integrates seamlessly with your accounting systems. Filter expenses by date, categories, or team members. Then export to Sage, Xero, FreshBooks, or as CSV and Excel formats. This eliminates double data entry and maintains financial consistency. Advanced Analytics transforms expense data into business intelligence. Generate customized reports identifying profitable departments and cost centers. These insights enable strategic decision-making, optimize spending patterns, and focus resources on high-performing segments for sustainable growth.
Focus on growing your business while SpendFlow's intelligent features handle administrative tasks automatically. Transform your expense management from manual process to automated efficiency. Download SpendFlow today and experience streamlined expense management.